Hi friends, I'm Vedlavya. Today, I'm going to teach you simple Vedic maths techniques that will speed up your calculations. We have already learnt about bases and complements and how they help us in simplifying the calculations. Let's learn about addition today. The first thing you learn about numbers is how to count. Other than counting, addition is perhaps the most basic mathematical operation. And counting and addition are interrelated. That is, we can think of counting as the ability to add 1 to any number. For example, 0 plus 1 equals 1. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. 56 plus 1 is equal to 57. In Vedic maths, we have a technique called Ekadhikena Purvena Sutra, also known as Bindu or Dot Method, which helps in simplifying complex additions. This sounds interesting, isn't it? Let's learn about the method now. In this method, we start adding the consecutive digits from the top of the first column. When the total exceeds 10, we place a dot between these two numbers and add the excess over 10 to the next digit, and then continue the process until we reach the last digit. Finally, we add all the dots and place this number above the previous column and repeat the process. Note that the maximum number on adding any two consecutive digits is 18. As 9 and 9 are the only maximum neighboring digits possible in any column. Let's now understand this method with the help of an example. Let us add the numbers 23,456 and 10,472. Step 1. Arrange the numbers in columns. Then add 6 and 2 on the extreme right. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. So, write 8 in the ones place below the line. Step 2. Add 5 and 7. 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. We see that 12 is greater than 10. So, as per the Ekadhikena Purvena Sutra or Bindu Method, place a dot between 5 and 7 and then write the excess 2 in the tens place below the line. Step 3. Consider the dot as 1 and carry over to the top of the hundreds column. 1 plus 4 is equal to 9. So we write 9 in the hundreds place below the line. Step 4. Add 3 and 0. 3 plus 0 is equal to 3. So write 3 in the thousands place below the line. Step 5. Add 2 and 1. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So place 3 in the 10,000s place below the line. Look now, we have the final answer of the addition as 33,928. Wasn't that exciting? Let's solve another problem now. Let us add the numbers 64,328 and 6,543. Step 1. Arrange the numbers in columns. Then add 8 and 3 on the extreme right. 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. We see that 11 is greater than 10. As per the Ekadhikena Purvena Sutra or Bindu Method, place a dot between 8 and 3 and then write the excess 1 in the ones place below the line. Step 2. Consider the dot as 1 and carry over to the top of the tens column. 1 plus 2 plus 4 is equal to 7. So write 7 in the tens place below the line. Step 3. Add 3 and 5. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. So write 8 in the hundreds place below the line. Step 4. Add 4 and 6. 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. Once again, as per the Ekadhikena Purvena Sutra or Bindu method, place a dot between 4 and 6 and then write 0 in the thousands place below the line. Step 5. Consider the dot as 1 and carry over to the top of the 10,000s column. 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. So we write 7 in the 10,000s place below the line. So we have the final answer of the addition as 70,871. Well, that was easy and exciting, wasn't it? You can now apply the Ekadhikena Purvena Sutra or Bindu method to solve more complex addition problems faster. Keep practicing.